In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely and easily clear your RAM cache through Microsoft's official software to give your PC a performance boost. If you are thinking that I have Windows 10 and you have Windows 11, let me first tell you that this method works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11, so let's get started. Right-click on your taskbar and click Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab and click on Memory. This shows us detailed RAM usage. Check the number under cached. As you can see, I have 7.3 GB cached memory, which is a very large number. Yours can be different depending on your RAM size. Maybe 1 GB, 4 GB, or 6 GB. The larger the number, the more you will benefit from clearing it. Now, let's download the official software from Microsoft. Open your browser and search RamMap. Click on the first official Microsoft website. Open it. Scroll down and find a blue button named Download RamMap. Click on it and choose your location to download the file, then click Save. Its size is very small, around 200 to 800 kilobytes, so even if you have a potato internet connection like me, you can download it in seconds. The file will be named rammap.zip. Now we just have to extract the zip file. For that, open Windows Explorer and open the folder where you installed the zip file. In my case, I have installed the file in a folder located in Downloads. Right-click on the zip file and click Extract All, then click Extract. Doing it will extract the zip file so you can open the RamMap software. Double-click on RamMap to run the application. Click Agree to accept the license terms. Close the File Explorer and wait for the application to load. First launch will take some time, so wait patiently. Now, I will put a side-by-side view of Task Manager and RamMap application to show you how quickly the RAM cache clears. Let me adjust this real quick. As you can see, I still have 7.6 GB cached memory. Let's now clear it. Look on the top of the RamMap application and find Empty option. Click on it. The one we want is Empty Standby List. Click on it. As I click on Empty Standby List, pay close attention to the cached memory. As you can see, my memory went from 7.6 GB to just 86 MB. That's over 7 GB of memory freed up for your system. My computer have 16 GB RAM in total, and now that I have cleared the RAM cache, my computer will have full access to all the RAM. After clearing your RAM cache, you will feel that your Windows has become a bit smoother, especially if you had a lot of RAM cache, and your games will now run more smoother compared to before, and your FPS will increase significantly. Use RamMap whenever your computer feels slow, even though when you are not running many applications. Before clearing the RAM cache, check your Task Manager first to see how many cached memory is there. The more the cached memory, the more you will benefit from clearing it. Personally, I use RamMap whenever my system feels slow. It is a very handy software for clearing the RAM cache. It is quick, safer, and efficient for this task. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Even one subscriber means a lot to me, and I feel motivated, so please consider subscribing to my channel. Goodbye.